Okay, today I want to show you how to make unique sound, build your own sound out of an environment sound, a natural sound, a noise that is surrounding us daily, on a daily base. And a friend sent me, just with the iPhone, recording while he was standing at the station in Germany, at a train station, and we have a listen to it. And I thought, okay, interesting, and there is this one tone in it. It's around here. There. Okay, what's that? Interesting. I marked it, and let's enhance it color-wise. We're talking about this area. And okay, this is interesting. And in those cases, when I want to know the tone of something, I'm doing it on the fly very fast. I'm using Span as a free plugin, and this has a nice graphic analyzer, and see what happens. Okay, interesting. Let's loop this. It's unbelievable. It's actually a perfect B. It seems like a scratch on the railway from the train. They're scratching the metal, and it turned out to be a perfect B. I thought, okay, when it's so easy, sometimes I have to tune a little bit to find the right tone. But when it's so easy, so obvious, then let's make something out of it. And this is pretty handy in Cubase. We have this called sampler. It's you can load it via instrument or in this zone beneath. Then you can choose the sample control, and then you can drag and drop. Let's do it quickly. New, and then you can drag and drop the sample. And it creates a new line, and let's take this one. And now it's on the keyboard. As we know, it's B. Okay. So find a starting point and the end point. A little bit longer. And then there is this sound. Maybe we take it off. And there's a loop function. It's called alternate. There was continuous alternate. Yeah, can adjust it a little bit if it's correct, and then I processed it, and it turned out to be, for a techno track I'm working on, it turned out to be very handy, very melodramatic, very special. Let's have a listen to this sound. Yeah, it's the railway. And it sounds very textured and very nice. And this is how I process it. I did, as I said, we have to take off the low end because there was this big motor, big trains who rumbling the earth, who shaking the earth. And I took it out and I let the highs pass it, and then I put a timeless on, a very nice delay plugin, and Quadrafus is my new go-to plugin in Cubase. I like how it's set. I like to turn up the lows and emphasize the width, the stereo image, in the low mids and in the mids. The highs I left, how they are. And Wormhole is an awesome plugin. In this case, I just used it for reverb, to have a very special reverb sound to it. And this is my sense, also Octavia. And then it sounds like this. And in the Techno track, yeah, it sounds like that. Let's have a listen. Give you some new impressions, and yeah, stay creative and be creative, and hope you had some fun and learned something. Bye bye.